Welcome to my channel, The Girl in the City. Today, we're gonna see how to make Veg Puff. Veg Puff is my all-time favorite snack, especially at evening with such a beautiful climate. So let's go and check the recipe.
Let's first preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's prepare the Veg Puff Masala. Heat a pan. Add 2 tablespoons oil. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon ginger paste, 3 tablespoons sweet pea. Here I have used frozen peas. Now add 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Cook the masala a little. Add 1 cup of mashed boiled potatoes and cook for few minutes. Now I'm here adding pink Himalayan salt as per taste. You can use normal salt as well. Mash the bigger potato and cook properly. Masala is ready. Let it cool down. Now let's prepare the sheet. Here I have taken a store-bought puff pastry sheet which I have defrosted by keeping this out at room temperature for 1 hour. Now let's cut the sheet as per our required size. Now let's roll the sheet. Similarly, here I am rolling all the sheets. Once all the sheets are prepared, let's fill the Veg Puff Masala in it and apply water on the edges and seal it properly. You can give any desired shape like triangle or rectangle to your Veg Puff. Now, with the help of a fork, press the edges so that it's sealed properly and we will get a nice design. Now our oven is ready. Let's bake the puff for 15 to 20 minutes or until it bakes properly. Yay! Veg Puff is ready. Look how crispy and lovely they look. Enjoy this Veg Puff with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel, like, press the bell icon and share.